in a big heavy snowy winter, after it melts over in that area, before we had the little curtain drain and the sump pump put in, very often we would get water seeping through down around the washing machine and then to the left of the machine. So we did have moisture down there. It bothered my wife a lot, not to the point where she was sick, but it just, when she went down there, she could always smell it. And we had dehumidifiers you buy at Home Depot or something down there, but they really didn't do a very good job. So I said, well, let me call Connecticut Basement Systems about this and see what they could do. That it was going to be better and things would be drier and it was more energy efficient. Plus they could pipe it into the curtain drain and the sump pump, so I didn't have to go down there and empty a bucket every so often. Very shortly after they installed the SaniDry unit, we noticed a difference, I mean, right away practically. And we haven't had any moisture problems since then. So I would encourage anybody really to get one. They're much better than these inefficient, little units you're going to buy at Home Depot that you've got to dump the water out yourself and they're not very energy efficient. So if I had known about a SaniDry years ago, I probably would have bought one.